Once parties have agreed to participate in arbitration, the procedure that they have to follow is actually really straightforward. Ultimately, it's a matter of contacting the clerks, which their respective solicitors would normally do, and they would negotiate in relation to fees, which are always fixed, and then they would also want to know the availability of those within chambers who could conduct the arbitration.
The forms that need to be filled out in relation to arbitration are very straightforward. In a children arbitration, the form ARB1CS has to be filled out. In a financial arbitration, it is form ARB1FS. Those forms are readily available on the internet. You simply enter in the search engine the name of the document and you'll find it. When you've filled out the document, you then send it to the Institute of Family Law Arbitrators, referred to as IFLA, and they will then send it on to the arbitrator. However, for solicitors, it may be more straightforward and indeed quicker if they send the form directly to the arbitrator if the arbitrator has already been identified.
When the arbitrator receives the form ARB1, the arbitrator will consider the form, look at the issues and set up a remote Teams meeting, usually just for the solicitors and the arbitrator, to make sure that the arbitrator is happy to accept the appointment. Afterwards, when the arbitrator has finished that, the arbitrator will accept the appointment and set up the directions hearing involving the parties. The directions hearing is just like a directions hearing at court. They will talk about the progression of the case and also expert evidence, etc. After that, everybody attends the arbitration final hearing, where we hear evidence from the parties, submissions, just like a normal court hearing.